When the entire facing is basted, you can fix its position with a machine stitch 1.5 mm from the edge. Having reached the place where the stitching began, make 2.5 cm over the stitching. This is what the finished neckline will look like. At the very end, you will need to iron it so that it looks neater and does not bend so much. Don't be discouraged if your neckline doesn't lay perfectly flat. This is due to a large variation in thickness. This effect completely disappears when you put the garment on yourself. Thanks for watching and see you later.